The EXIF data is technical information about the settings you use. Your camera records and stores this information for every photo you take. You can easily look up the information to discover what your ISO is, your shutter speed, your aperture, white balance, camera model and make, date and time, lens type, focal length, and even a whole lot more. You can read some of this data on your camera's monitor or once you've loaded the photos to your computer. To read the info using your camera, display an image on your monitor, then scroll through the various view settings. One of the screens will show you all or part of the data for that image. It should be easy to find this data, but if you're having difficulty locating it, consult your camera manual or Google or YouTube. On a PC, you can right-click on the image file and choose Properties, Details, and you'll see the info displayed. On a Mac, you need to open the image with Preview and then choose Tools, Show Inspector, and click on the EXIF tab. There's other ways this information can be viewed as well. All image management software will include a way to view the EXIF data, and your computer operating systems do as well. It will be helpful for future lessons for you to find out how to use this information. Being able to view this data can be especially useful if you can compare your settings and learn the resulting differences. To experiment, choose one previous lesson where you're not so happy with the results from, or one that you'd like to experiment with further and repeat it. Try a few different settings like using the camera's built-in flash, moving closer and further away from your subject, and changing your ISO settings. While making this series of photos, look up the EXIF data in between your photos and see what's being recorded. Later, when you've loaded your photos to your computer, have a look using your operating system and the image management software you use. Making the most of the tools we have available will help us become better photographers. Next time you wonder why a photo worked so well or flopped, remember to have a look at the EXIF data, and you may be surprised at what you can learn. Key points for this lesson are: EXIF data is technical information about the settings you use. You can see it on your camera or computer monitor. It can help you understand your camera settings better.